In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete message in Slack. Clean up your Slack workspace. Slack tutorial. If your Slack workspace feels cluttered, or you sent something by mistake, deleting a message is a quick way to tidy things up. I'll walk you through the process on the desktop app or web browser, and share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. This could be a direct message, a group DM, or a channel. Use the left sidebar to navigate, or use the search bar at the top to jump straight to the right place. If the message lives inside a thread, open the thread so you're looking directly at the specific message you want to delete. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right spot helps avoid removing the wrong thing. Next, hover your mouse over the message. As you do, a small toolbar will appear alongside it. Look for the three-dot icon, often labeled More Actions. Click that. This menu is where Slack keeps a lot of useful controls tied to a single message. If hovering doesn't bring it up right away, move your cursor slowly across the message, or try slightly adjusting your window size to make the toolbar appear. From the More Actions menu, choose Delete Message. Slack may show a prompt reminding you that deletion is permanent and can't be undone. This is your moment to double-check. If you only need a quick fix, consider Edit Message instead, which is available in the same menu. But if you're certain you want it gone, proceed with the delete option to remove the message from the conversation for everyone. A few notes to keep in mind. Most people can only delete messages they themselves posted. Workspace owners or admins might have broader permissions, or they might restrict deletion entirely based on company policy. If you don't see Delete Message, you may not have permission, or your organization may use retention rules that limit deletions. Also, if your message included a file, deleting the message typically removes the file preview from that spot. But file availability can depend on workspace settings. That's all there is to it. Navigate to the message, hover to open More Actions, and choose Delete Message. Use this thoughtfully to keep your channels and direct messages clear, accurate, and easy to follow. Clean workspaces make collaboration faster and reduce noise, so a quick tidy now can save everyone time later. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Slack.